side of base 30 mm and height 45 mm is resting on HP on one of the edge of the base. So first we draw our XY line. First we draw our XY line. And we solve the entire problem in first angle projection system. So below XY line there is a HP plane and our prism resting on HP on its base. The side of the base it is 30 mm. So first we prepare our square as a true shape of the base on top view, 30 mm sides. Now we can mark the corner A, B, C, D. Similarly, in prism there is a two base, so we can mark the top base 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the lower base on HP, it means we project the lower base on XY line, taking the vertical direction projection from corner C and D, where on XY line it is our A dash, B dash point. This is our C dash, D dash point. The lower base on HP, it means the elevation of lower base on XY line. Now the height of the solid square prism, it is given 50 mm. So we take the 50 mm height from the XY line. And we show the elevation of top base. It is our 1 dash, 2 dash point. This is our 3 dash, 4 dash point. Now we can mark the axis using the full dot full, the axis of prism. Now, the second stage of the problem is, say your base, which is on HP, it's inclined to HP 30 degree. So for that, what we do, we tilt this prism. We tilt this prism with reference to lower base, and your lower base, it is inclined to HP 30 degree. For that, first off we mark the C dash D dash point. At C dash D dash, we take the 30 degree inclination line. We arrange our lower base inclined to HP 30 degree. It is the end point of the base A dash B dash. Now, on other direction, you have to understand the relation. This is the elevation of rectangular surface. It is the elevation of rectangular surface and base, both are 90 degree to each other. So when your base inclined to HP 30 degree, on other direction, your elevation of rectangular surface, it is 60 degree. So I can mark the 60 degree line at C dash D dash. And what is the height of prism? It is 50 mm. So I can join this inclination line. Similarly, we can draw the line parallel to the same rectangle surface from A dash B dash, and we rearrange our same elevation with base inclined to HP 30 degree and your rectangular surface inclined to HP 60 degree. It is your corner 3 dash 4 dash, it is your 1 dash 2 dash. Now one more concept here. The axis and rectangular surface both are parallel to each other. It means your axis, it is also inclined to HP 60 degree. Now we project our plan of second stage. So for plan, first we take the vertical downward projection from lower base Similarly, you can collect the vertical projection from top base. Now you can project your horizontal projection from previous plan. And mark your respective intersection points. So this is my corner A, plan point A. This is our plan point B. This is our plan point C. This is your plan point D. Similarly, we can mark our top base. So here it is the plan point A1. This is plan point 2. This is plan point 3. This is plan point 4. Now from top orientation, the observer can see the upper base. So we can draw the upper base with a full line. So first we draw our upper base with a full line. 1, 2. The edge of the upper base 2, 3. Edge of 3, 4 is 4, 1. Now for the lower base, from top view orientation, AB it is visible, so I draw the AB dark, BC also visible, BC dark, AD also visible, AD dark, but the C dash D dash, the edge which is on HP, it is not visible from top view. So we can show as a dotted line. I join the D and C with dotted line. Now the third stage of the problem, it say the side of the lower base CD inclined to VP 45 degree. So for that, what we do? So first off, we take the point, reference point on XY line. At this reference point, first we draw the 45 degree inclination line. And always you can draw this inclination line with light. It should be light. On this inclination line, you can arrange your previous plan with reference to CD. So my CD, it is true is 30 mm. So I can arrange at anywhere. But if you go for any certain condition, make your CD side inclined to VP 45 degree, as well as the upper base nearer to observer. So for that I mark the DC 30 mm, on same inclination line with dotted. This is my D point, it is my C point. These are the dotted line. Now we draw the vertical line perpendicular to CDS as a light projection line. On this light projection line, we arrange our B and C point. So my BC to 25 mm from C. So this is my B point. Similarly, the A point, it is 25 mm from D. A point. Okay, again measure the distance. C to 2, it is the 5 mm. So I mark the 2. Similarly, D1, it is also 5 mm. Then C to 3. Your C3, it is 25 mm. Similarly, distance D4, it is 25 mm. So you first rearrange your plan. So this is my A point, this B, this is our 2, this is 1, this is 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, 1, 2. This is the upper base. Similarly, you can draw your lower base. So it is our AB. Then BC, DA. This is our dotted line. Now, as per problem statements, we arranged our plan. The side of base, which is on HP, it's inclined to VP 45 degree, and upper base 1, 2, 3, 4 nearer to observer. Now project your elevation. So first off, we take the vertical projection from top base. So I transfer the first projection from corner A, second projection from point 3, projection from point 4. You can collect the horizontal projection from top base So here this is locus point 1 intersects with locus of 1 dash. So I mark the 1. It is our 2 point. This is our corner 3. This is our corner 4. Similarly, you can take the vertical projection from lower base. This is a projection from corner A. This is a projection from corner B. This is a projection from corner C. This is a projection from corner D. And similarly, you can collect the horizontal projection. All projections should be parallel, either perpendicular to XY line. So this is my corner A dash. It is our corner B dash. Your C, it is on XY line. So our C dash on XY. Here your D dash. Now from the elevation, the observer can be seen the square prism. The top view, the elevation of the top base, it is full because the top base nearer to observer. So I can join the top base with full line, 1 dash 2 dash, then 2 dash 3 dash, 3 dash 4 dash, 4 dash 1 dash. Similarly, the lower base. So the BC sides are visible. So I can join the B dash C dash full. Your CD, it is visible. You can join your C dash D dash with a full line. But DA, the edge of lower base, DA and AB, it is away from the observer, so it is not visible. So we draw the dotted line. Now, edge of rectangular surface. So B2, this B2, it is nearer to observer. So the vertical edge of the prism B dash 2 dash, it is a dark line. Then C3, it is visible. So I join the C3 with a dark line. Then D4, it is also visible. I join the D dash 4 dash with a dark line. But your A dash 1 dash, this rectangular vertical edge are not visible. So we draw the dotted line. Thank you for attending the online class.